Midnight plane to Houston. My people from Georgia, they would never take a plane to Houston.
We were in the business of making dreams come true. Sold over 200 million records. Became the soundtrack of your lives. But how do you expect me to tell you how all that really happened?
This is Casablanca Records, the biggest independent label anyone had ever seen. And the artists, they were family.
Yes, the Isley Brothers, Gladys Knight, Parliament, Bill Withers, Donna Summer.
They legally changed my name.
No! Everything is hotter in summer. And we knew what Casablanca could be.
We were $7 million in debt.
You're broke. The whole town knows it. What the hell do you really want? You didn't come over here just to beat up Bruce.
I didn't.
We were waging an all-out war against all the majors, all at once.
You gotta be out your mind. These labels fight dirty.
Motown actually put a hit on us?
You're gonna need to make a phone call.
You just called the Italian mob to tell the black mob not to kill us.
You had a better idea?
Midnight plane to Houston. My people from Georgia, they would never take a plane to Houston.
We're gonna place one final bet.
On who?
On us.
Lift off. Let's go.
You let him right about that.
Why'd you sign us? You had to know how hard this is gonna be.
Because two kids from Queens had dreams about being the next gods of rock. That is who you are.
So, what happens next?
You do.